Good morning, one and all. Today we will discuss in this class kinetic theory of an ideal gas and pressure of an ideal gas and also kinetic interpretation of temperature. So now kinetic theory of an ideal gas. Actually, kinetic theory of gases is based on the molecular picture of matter. Okay, here kinetic theory of gases is based on the molecular picture of matter. Okay, the gas. So we consider the vessel. So the vessel is consist the gas. Okay, any the gas. So the gas is consist molecules. Already we are discussing before the class behavior of gases, and the any gas is consist the molecules, small particles that are that is the molecules. It is consist the molecules. A given amount of gas is a collection of large number of molecules that are in random motion. Okay, so here the molecules are consist. So these molecules is very small size, and the distance between the two molecules. So for example, this is a one molecule, this is another molecule. The distance between the molecules is more, that is 20 angstroms or 30 angstroms, like that. Okay, the distance, intermolecular distance is more. So intermolecular distance is more and intermolecular force is less. Intermolecular at an ordinary temperature, at ordinary temperature and pressure, the intermolecular force is negligible, it is less, and intermolecular distance is more. Okay, so intermolecular distance is more and intermolecular force, the force between the two molecules is called the intermolecular force, is less. So then it have only the kinetic energy. So it moves randomly at downward direction, upward direction, left hand side, right hand side, randomly. It moves random motion. Okay, so here we assume that when a molecule is moves right side direction, what happens? It is collide with another molecule. Okay, a gas molecule is moves right side direction or left side direction. It is collide with another molecule, or it is collide with the wall. Okay, vessel wall. So when the molecule is, okay, it is when the molecule is moves in random motion, so it have only the kinetic energy. So here the internal energy of molecule, gas molecule is the pure kinetic energy. So why? Because the intermolecular force is very less. When the intermolecular force is no intermolecular force, then the potential energy is negligible. Okay, we are not consider the potential energy. So then the total internal energy of the molecule is consist with pure kinetic energy only. So that's why, so the gas is considered as a ideal gas. Intermolecular force is less and interatomic distance is more. That's why the gas is considered as an ideal gas. Okay, so here when it moves in random motion. So the random motion, it moves the random motion at the different velocities. When it moves and it is collide with wall and collide with a molecule with another molecule, so the collision is called the elastic collision. We assume that it is elastic collision. Elastic collision is nothing but it is conserved momentum and kinetic energy. Elastic collision is nothing, the molecule is conservation of momentum and also conservation of kinetic energy. Okay, every molecule is moves in random motion. So when it moves in random motion, it is collide with another molecule or it is collide with a wall of the vessel. Then this collision is consist elastic collision only. The elastic collision is nothing but it have the conservation of momentum. It's obey the conservation of momentum and it's obey the conservation of kinetic energy. So before the collision, the sum of the sum of the momentum before the collision and equals to after the collision, the sum of the momentum is called the conservation of momentum. So before the collision, the sum of kinetic energy equals to after the collision, the sum of kinetic energy is called the conservation of kinetic energy. So this is about the kinetic theory of an ideal gas. So next we are discussing the pressure is exerted by an ideal gas and kinetic interpretation of temperature. So now pressure of an ideal gas. So pressure exerted by an ideal gas in the vessel. So consider a gas enclosed in a cube of side L. Okay, here we consider So for example, this is the cube. So we consider this is a cube. Okay, this cube side is L, so this is L and this is also L. Okay, so height is L and length is L and width is also L. So the cube, so this is x-axis, so this is y-axis, sorry, it is z-axis, so this is an y-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, this is z-axis. So here the a particle, so this is a molecule, the molecule is moves, so lot of molecules is there, so the number of molecules, so here, so we consider lot of molecules. When a molecule with a velocity, so the velocity is consist here, Vx is along x direction, so Vy along y direction and Vz along z direction. Okay, it moves parallel to the yz plane, so it is moves, it is a yz plane, it is parallel to the yz plane, this plane is parallel to the yz plane and it is hits, so with velocity Vx. Okay, for example, we are taking along x-axis, so the velocity is Vx, it is hits on this point and rebounds back. Okay, so rebounds means it is moves opposite direction of the x-axis, so then the velocity is minus Vx and Vy, Vz. Okay, minus Vx, why it is taken opposite direction, it moves opposite direction, and this collision is the elastic collision. So here a molecule with a velocity Vx, Vy, Vz and hits on the plane, okay, and a planar wall parallel to the yz plane of area, so this area is L square. So now since the collision, so we already considered, since the collision is elastic, the molecule rebounds in the same velocity, but opposite direction. So the velocity of the after collision, the velocity of the molecule, after collision so what is that, minus Vx, Vy and Vz. Okay, after the collision the velocity of the molecule is minus Vx, Vy, Vz. So we are consider mass of the molecule is small m. Okay, So the number of molecules, the number of molecules in cube per unit volume is small n. So we consider n is the number of molecules per unit volume is n. Okay, so the change in momentum, now the change in momentum along x direction is, so final momentum minus initial momentum. What is the final momentum? Mass minus mass into Vx minus of, so m into Vx. So minus mvx that equals to minus 2 mvx. So this is a change in the momentum, change in momentum along x direction. So now by the conservation of momentum, so by the conservation of momentum is imparted to the wall in the collision. Okay, it is imparted momentum to the wall in the collision equals to this negative symbol. We are only considering the number only, so this is 2 mvx. Along x direction, the momentum imparted to the wall in the collision, it is 2 mvx. So we can calculate the force on the wall, the molecule force on the wall, F equals to, so the force is nothing but the time rate of change of the momentum, so delta P by delta T. Okay, delta P by delta T. So this is a cube, already we are considered again. So this is the cube enclosed, so closed. So in this cube, so it is considered the molecules, the number of molecules for unit volume is n. Okay, certain molecule, one molecule is hit on YZ plane and it is come back. Okay, this is hit on the wall and again moves, so this, and again it moves at this type. Okay, so it moves, and at a delta T, the molecule is traveled the distance in delta T time is Vx into delta T. Okay, delta x equals to Vx into delta T. So next, the all molecules. So here consider all molecules within the volume So volume is nothing but distance into area. So area into Vx delta T only can hit the wall in time delta T. Okay, it is hit at the volume. The volume is Vx delta T into A. So this is the volume. The molecules are hit on the wall in at a small time interval. So but an average, actually how many molecules are hit on right side direction and how many molecules is hit on left side direction, left side of YZ plane, and right side it is parallel to the YZ plane, we don't know about this. So but an average half of these are moving towards the wall and the other half away from the wall. Only half of the molecules are hit the wall, so remaining is away from the wall, it is moves away from the wall. So then the number of molecules with the velocity, so the number of molecules with the velocity hitting on the wall in time delta T is, so it is only half of the molecules of AVX delta T into N. Okay, N is the number of molecules for unit value. So now, so we consider the total momentum, hitting on the wall by the molecules in time delta T. Okay, so the change in momentum, it is not pressure, change in momentum equals to, so 2m Vx into the number of molecules, half of the molecules of N into AVX into delta T. Okay, we are cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so the remaining term is delta P equals to, okay, Mn Vx into Vx square and A into delta T. Okay, so this is equation number 1. We consider the equation number 1, change in momentum. According to force, F equals to delta P by delta T. That equals to, what is delta P? From equation number 1, mn Vx square A into delta T divided by delta T. Here delta T and delta T gets cancelled. So then the force F equals to mn Vx square into A. So this is equation number 2. So now the pressure on the wall P equals to force per unit area. So we know the definition, P equals to force per area. So then the force, so P equals to, force is mn Vx square into A divided by area. So area gets cancelled. From this equation, P equals to mn Vx square. Okay, so this is equation number 3. So in cube of vessel, in the cube, enclosed cube, so all the molecules, so here all the molecules do not have same velocity. Okay, so we are consider the average velocity. So then average velocity of the all molecules in x direction is the velocity of average. Okay, the velocity or the average velocity Vx or Vx square, Vx average square equals to average of Vx square. Okay, average of Vx square is denotes Vx average square. So we can replace, so that equation number 3, so P equals to, so we can write mn Vx square, okay, Vx bar square, average Vx average square. So this is equation number 4. Okay, now we consider, so in the gas vessel is the velocities are in x direction, y direction and z direction. So then we consider here V bar square equals to, okay, total velocity of average velocity square equals to, so we can write here Vx bar square plus Vy bar square plus Vz bar square. Okay, because of the velocity equals to average velocity equals to, so Vx I cap and Vy j cap and plus Vz k cap. Okay, so V square equals to Vx square plus Vy square plus Vz square. So here we are consider average. So V average square equals to Vx average square plus Vy average square plus Vz average square. So this is equation number 5. So but in the gas there is no preferred the direction of the velocity of the molecules, the vessel. Okay, so in this vessel the average velocities are equal. So by the symmetry we assumed that Vx bar square average Vx average square equals to Vy average square equals to Vz average square. So we are substitute in this equation number 5, V average square equals to Vx average square plus it is also Vx average square plus Vx average square. So that equals to 3 Vx average square. From this equation Vx average square equals to 1 by 3 V average square. So this is equation number 6. Okay, along x direction Vx average square equals to 1 by 3 V average square. So we can substitute equation number 6. Equation number 6 is substitute in equation number 4. So P equals to mn Vx average square equals to 1 by 3 V average square. So then P equals to pressure, the pressure on the wall, the molecule of the gas, pressure on the wall, P equals to, so 1 by 3 mn V average square. So this is the pressure expression, P equals to 1 by 3 mn V average square. Now we will discuss kinetic interpretation of temperature. So pressure of, from the equation of the pressure on ideal gas, so P equals to 1 by 3 nm V average square. Okay, so the above equation is pressure exerted on the wall of a molecule, so of a single molecule for unit volume. So P equals to 1 by 3 nm V average square. So we can multiply with volume on both sides. Okay, so P into V equals to, so 1 by 3 nm V into V average square. Okay, here n into V, so it is also written as P V into 1 by 3 n into V m V average square. So this is equation number 1 here. So n into V, so n into V is nothing but the number of molecules. Number of molecules n equals to number of molecules for unit volume into volume. So n into V, we can substitute n into V in the place of n into V, capital N. So then PV equals to, so 1 by 3 capital N m V average square. Okay, so the above equation is multiplied with 2 by 2, so that is PV equals to 1 by 3 n m V average square is multiplied in right side direction, right hand side, 2 by 2. So then the equation becomes PV equals to 2 by 3 n into half m V bar square. So this term is equation number 2. So here the kinetic energy of a single molecule, here the kinetic energy of the single molecule into number of molecules is the internal energy of an ideal gas is purely kinetic. Okay, here the internal energy, the kinetic energy of all molecules are, so number of molecules into half m V average square. So this term is the internal energy of an ideal gas. This topic is discussed in the kinetic theory of an ideal gas. So here it have the internal energy, have the only kinetic energy, so it not consists the potential energy because interatomic distance is more or interatomic force is less. So then it have only the kinetic energy only. So then equation number 2 is written as, so here the internal energy, it is also written as U or E equals to total number of n into half m V average square. Okay, n into, so we can write in this equation number 2, that is PV equals to 2 by 3 into E. Okay, this is equation number 3. From above equation we can write PV equals to, that is 2 by 3 into E. So then E equals to 3 by 2 into PV. Okay, 3 by 2 into PV. This is equation number 4. So 3 by 2 into PV. From behavior of gas, behavior of gas of the equation of state. Equation of state. So PV equals to, so we can write PV equals to N kBT. Okay, N is the number of molecules, Kb Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature. We can substitute this value in equation number 4. So then E internal energy equals to 3 by 2 N kBT. Okay, so this is the number of molecules. So then E by N equals to 3 by 2 kBT. So this is the expression for the internal energy for unit molecule for one molecule. So internal energy for one molecule E by N equals to 3 by 2 kB into T. So we know that, so the number of moles, so that is N equals to N by Na. Okay, N is nothing but the number of molecules in a gas, and Na is the Avogadro number. So N equals to N into Na. Okay, here we can substitute at the place of Na, N. So E equals to 3 by 2 N Na Kb into T. So in Na into Kb equals to universal gas constant. So then E equals to 3 by 2 nRT. So this is the internal energy. Okay, internal energy of the gas molecule E equals to 3 by 2 nRT. So from this equation, 3 by 2 is constant, N is the number of molecules for unit volume or number of moles. So R is gas constant. So then the internal energy of the molecule of the gas molecule, okay, of the gas molecule is depends on temperature. Not on pressure, volume, and nature of the gas. Nature of the gas. Only it depends upon the temperature only. So this is about the kinetic interpretation of temperature. So now consider so for example, this is a vessel. Okay, in this vessel, so it is consist the mixture of gases. It is have the non-reactive. Okay, the gases are the non-reactive gases. The non-reactive gases, the number of gases is n1, n2, n3, so like that. So it is non-reactive, not reactive. So the pressure equation P equals to, so 1 by 3, so pressure n1, number of molecules in unit volume n1, and mass is m1, and average velocity, okay, average velocity square is v1 square plus n2 m2 v2 square, v2 average square, plus so on. Okay, that equals to, so we can multiply it and right hand side 2 and 1 by 2, so then we can write 2 by 3 into n1 of m1 v1 average square plus n2 of m2 v2 average square plus so on. Okay, in this term, so this is the kinetic energy of the molecule. Okay, these terms in equilibrium, the average kinetic energy, of the molecules of different gases will be equal. So that is, we can write, that is of m1 v1 average square equals to of m2 v2 average square equals to of m3 v3 average square equals to so on. So we can substitute here P equals to 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3 into, so here n1 plus n2 plus n3, okay, plus so on into of m1 v1 average square. In the place of m2 v2 average square equals to m1 v1 average square. So here from the equation is of m1 v1 square, v1 average square equals to 3 by 2 kBT. Okay, 3 by 2 kBT. So then pressure P equals to 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 kBT into n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on. So here 3 by 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. So P equals to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on into kB into T. So this is the law of Dalton's pressure. So the equation is known as Dalton's law of partial pressures. Okay, the total pressure in the vessel is equals to the sum of the partial pressure of the different gases. So it is also is proved with the kinetic theory. P equals to N1 plus N2 plus N3. So this is the individual numbers of different gases, number of molecules in different gases into Kb into T. So this is the pressure.